So here's a desk that you could change the height. I got it from my son's room. It's nice wood, the legs are metal. It has 2 hooks on the side, so you could put headphones or your purse or whatever you want to hang there. So here's the settings. It has pre-settings. Setting number 1, it'll tell you the measurement there. 27.5, you press setting number 2, it goes up on its own. And that's 36.6 inches, and then setting number 3 is a little bit taller. Setting number 3 at 45.7 inches. If you want to program your own height, you hold this button down, and then you could preset 3 different settings. It'll say S-1, S-2, S-3, and then you could do your own setting. To lower it manually, you just hold this, and same thing to raise it. Also, this desk holds up to 134 pounds.